Right. And what's this?
Bladder.
Right. And what's this?
Urethra.
I expect A's.
Oh yeah, I got that.
Okay. So let's look at the reproductive organ itself. So this is, sorry, give me a minute. Okay. This is the little U-shaped clasp I was talking about. See how it's looking like a little tiny U-shape? That is what I was drawing on the board. This is the fallopian tube, the uterine tube that's basically clasping the ovary. So if I turn this around, that's the ovary.
Facts. That's cool.
That's dope.
All right. So here is the uterine tube, or the fallopian tube. So what's this?
Uterine horn.
The uterine horn, and there is the uterine horn on the other side here as well. And the place, and they're merging together right here. What is this?
Urine body.
The uterine body. This is the this is the analog to the uterus in a human female. Then after that, this right here is the birthing canal. This is what? What's another name for the birthing canal?
The vagina.
The vagina, right. So again, here is the urethra coming down, and here is the vagina going down. And this place, right where 25 is, notice how they're connecting together right there. That is the urogenital sinus.
Where?
Right where I'm pinching.
Get in there.
Got that, bro?
Okay. So that is the femur, more or less the same. But on this one, I cut this open earlier so you can see. Notice that. One single pyramid making up a giant medulla. What type of kidney?
Compound. It's not a compound.
It's not a compound. It's a simple kidney, right? There is a sheep kidney set out in the back
That's
for you to
compound.
see. That's a compound kidney. All right, so this is the kidney. You can't see ureters in this one because when we scooped out the digestive system, I think we accidentally took out the ureters on this one. But what's this?
The bladder.
What's this?
Urethra.
Urethra. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Notice right here, the urethra is a little enlarged. Okay, what is that?
Prostate.
That's the prostate, right? So you follow that further down, so you're still in the urethra, but this is the difficult one to see. If you look at both sides of the root of the penis, right here, notice those two light colored spots on the two sides? Right there. Let's see.
I do not see that.
Neither do I.
Yeah,
Right
you
there?
can't. Hold on. Right there. There you go. Yeah. See how it's kind of light colored? And on the other side, you can see it right there as well. Those two on either side of the urethra, that is going to be the bulbourethral or the Cowper's glands. Okay? Okay. So that's the root of the penis, that's the shaft, and that's going to be the glands, the head of the penis. Now, on this side, this is what?
Testing.
That's the testes, right. And notice this structure that is sitting right on top of the testes.
Epididymis.
That's going to be the epididymis. It's a little bit clearer on this side where we have cleared away the fascia vaginalis. So here is the testes, and see how the epididymis kind of sits like a hat right on top? That is the epididymis. So, testes, epididymis, what's this?
Vas deferens.
Before it's the vas deferens, it's something else outside the abdominal cavity.
Except, no.
It's a spermatic cord. Okay? So the spermatic cord will enter through this hole in the abdominal wall and come out on the other side. That hole is called the inguinal canal, through which the spermatic cord enters and enters into the abdominal cavity. Now, this tiny thread, what does this look like?
Spermatic artery.
It's a spermatic artery, right. So it's a very delicate little artery, but that's a spermatic artery. Now, what's this?
That's a vas deferens?
That is the vas deferens. See how it kind of loops around and goes towards the urethra? Because that's taking the sperm into the urethra. So sperm will go through the urethra, prostate's going to secrete the milky fluid, will go through, cowpers will secrete its fluid, and then it goes out through the penis.
And his testes.
That's it?
That's it.